If we just give everybody licenses in the organization, we're like, have at it, you're not going to get results that are going to move the needle. You're going to get these little efficiency gains where everybody is like figured out, I can save 10 minutes here and 10 minutes here, but we're not seeing that impact revenue. I was looking at a customer's org a while back and they had a $100,000 sales opportunity. And this isn't just one sales opportunity. This is just the one random one I happened to look at. And they had a $100,000 sales opportunity that was closed, lost, and there was no reason. There was no notes. There was no indication of like who made the decision, what their decision criteria was, none of the medic stuff. You just look at this and you're like, okay, I know that the rep had a series of meetings and then lost this deal. That's all I can see. If we feed that information to the AI and then we take the same data for the closed one, which also doesn't tell us anything, what is the AI going to tell us? Absolutely nothing. My advice to somebody trying to implement AI would be the same advice I would give to somebody trying to do anything in go-to-market, which is center in on the thing that's going to drive the most improvement.